What's the meaning of arm twisting? Arm twisting. Arm twisting.
Arm twisting. Arm twisting. Arm twisting refers to the act of putting pressure on someone to do something they don't want to do, often through coercion or intimidation. The result of arm twisting can vary, but it usually involves the person being pressured into doing something they feel uncomfortable with and may not have agreed to otherwise. This could range from a simple favor to a more significant action that compromises their personal values or beliefs. Ultimately, arm twisting can be a harmful and unethical tactic used to manipulate people into making decisions they wouldn't otherwise make.